I'm not sure what to talk about here today, so enjoy an OC ramble. One of clowns' fantasies is to become a clown pop star, a concept which they invented themselves. This is obviously hindered by the fact they are dead. I don't think I actually ever talked about that in one of my shorts. Maybe it was made obvious by the fact that they have a very peasant-looking boyfriend, but they are a ghost. They love the idea of spreading hope and joy to large crowds of people through any means, and in their head, one of the best ways to do that is being a pop star. Writing an OC's silly fantasy is always a great way to develop your character. Their wishes and hopes are a great insight to their traits. Share your OC's fantasy in the comments. Bye-bye.